iniquity. Wash me thoroughly from sin, from all guilt cleanse thou me. For transgressions I confess, sins I ever see. 'Gainst thee only have I sinned, done evil in thy sight, that thou speaking may be just, and in judging right. My iniquities blot out, my sin hide from thy view, and in me a clean heart make, spirit right renew. From thy gracious Lord, oh, cast me not away, and they, Holy Spirit, take not from me, I pray. Joy which thy salvation brings again to me restore. With thy Spirit free do thou keep me evermore. Sacrifice dost thou not want, else would I give it thee. And with offering shalt thou not delighted be. For a broken spirit is to God a sacrifice, and a broken contrite heart thou wilt not despise. In thy loving kindness, Lord, be merciful to me. In compassion great blot out all iniquity. Wash me thoroughly from sin, from all guilt cleanse thou me. For transgressions I confess, sins I ever see. 'Gainst thee only have I sinned, done evil in thy sight, that thou speaking may be just, and in judging right. My iniquities blot out, my sin hide from thy view, and in me a clean heart make, spirit right renew. From thy gracious Lord, oh, cast me not away, and they, Holy Spirit, take not from me, I pray. Joy which thy salvation brings again to me restore. With thy Spirit free do thou keep me evermore. Sacrifice dost thou not want, else would I give it thee. And with offering shalt thou not delighted be. For a broken spirit is to God a sacrifice, and a broken contrite heart thou wilt not Consider the lilies and how they grow, for they never toil or spin, you know. Yet Solomon in all his finery was never arrayed like one of these. And look at the ravens up in the air, for they never sow or gather there, yet your Father feeds them from day to day. Are you not of far more worth than they? If God clothes the grass of the field this way, which lives and which dies in a sea,